my love life.
Love life. Kobo, you're too young to have a love life.
I am.
Listen to Mom.
I'm legal. I can have boyfriend, Mom.
Okay.
Okay, please, good boyfriend.
Yeah, hopefully good. I have to check if he's good enough. Ta-da.
1, 2, 3.
So, someone who's actually financially ready, that's what your boyfriend will be like.
No. Let's go! So I can spend many money?
I guess he's the type that will treat you. Yes, his love language is definitely material.
Let's go!
When will they meet? Where?
Yeah, when, like soon or
Next card.
Okay, I feel something hot here.
Oh, something hot.
Hot, so hot. Okay.
Ta-dun, ta-dun, ta-dun.
What is this?
High Priestess I would usually associate with like say-so-ness. So maybe when you're a little bit more say-so.
Huh? You mean the more say-so I am, the quickly the boyfriend will come?
Yes. Maybe the guy is looking for a say-so lady.
Oh my god. You don't believe me? I'm kind of religious people, you know?
You know, we should start playing Nintendo.
Seriously. I'm quite religious. I pray every night.
I think what it means is more about you being a little shit.
We are Japanese.